All-in down payment ito ha, 80,000 pesos lang, and then yung monthly, 12,500. Hi, good day mga mad friends! I'm Aaron pala from Manila Auto Display. Today, pipicture natin yung mga available nating sedan, crossover, and SUV na available sa ating showroom kasama ng down payment and monthly nung unit. Tara, check natin. So, unang-una guys, itong 2015 Mazda 6 sedan, automatic transmission. Mileage nito is 80,000. Price nito is 470,000 pesos. And then, all-in down payment, nasa 126,000 pesos. Yung nasa likod naman, ito. So, this is 2023 Toyota Innova E automatic transmission. Price pala nito is 955,000 pesos. And then, yung all-in down payment is nasa 156,000 pesos. Monthly nito is nasa 31,600 lang. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng 7-seater MPV, bagay na bagay sa inyo itong fresh na fresh Toyota Innova. Ito naman yung katabi niya, ipahanap nyo is brand new. Meron tayo ditong 2025 Suzuki Jimny 5-door 4x4 automatic transmission for only 1,575,000 pesos. All-in down payment, nasa 256,000, and then yung monthly niya for 4 years is nasa 52,000 pesos. Nasa harap niya naman to guys, ipahanap nyo is 8-seater, yan, for family, for business. Meron tayo ditong 2021 Maxus G50 automatic transmission for only 599,000 pesos lang po. And then guys, yung monthly niya is nasa 15,000 pesos. All-in down payment is nasa 210,000 pesos po. Next natin, if hanap nyo is hybrid, no coding, meron tayo ditong 2021 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid for only 1,079,000 pesos. All-in down payment, 176,000 pesos. Monthly niya is nasa 35,800. If hanap nyo is Honda units, meron tayo ditong 2018 Honda CR-V diesel automatic transmission. Mileage nito is 53,000 kilometers. Price nito is 810,000 pesos. All-in down payment, 150,000 pesos. And then yung monthly nito is nasa 26,000 pesos. Next naman natin, sedan naman na Honda. So guys, meron tayo ditong 2024 Honda City S automatic transmission, 4,000 mileage lang. Price pala nito is 760,000 pesos. All-in down payment, 124,000, and then yung monthly nito is 25,000 pesos lang po. Sunod naman natin itong 2016 Volkswagen Golf 1.4 engine displacement for only 555,000 pesos. All-in down payment guys, 275,000, and then yung monthly niya, 10,000 lang, sobrang baba. If hanap niyo naman is premium look, tech-loaded na unit, meron tayo ditong 2023 Jetour Dashing automatic transmission, 14,000 mileage for only 825,000 pesos. All-in down payment ito is nasa 288,000, and then yung monthly is 21,000 pesos. Ipanap nyo naman ni fresh na Toyota sedan, meron tayo ditong 2025 Toyota Vios XL automatic transmission for only 640,000 pesos. All-in down payment ito is 105,000 pesos, and then yung monthly nito is nasa 21,000 pesos lang po. Nasa likod nyo naman guys, this is 2023 Corolla Altis. Mileage ito is 14,000 kilometers for only 899,000 pesos. All-in down payment nito is nasa 146,000 pesos. And then yung monthly nito is nasa 29,800 lang po. Next naman natin, if hanap nyo is tipid sa gas, meron tayo ditong 2019 Toyota Wigo G automatic transmission for only 379,000 pesos. All-in down payment it 80,000 pesos lang, and then yung monthly 12,500. Nasa likod niya naman guys, if hanap nyo is poging sasakyan, meron tayo ditong 2022 Honda Civic S automatic transmission. Price pala nito is 970,000 pesos. All-in down payment, 156,000 pesos. And then yung monthly niya guys is nasa 31,000 pesos lang po. Last but not the least, this is 2016 Ford Everest Titanium automatic transmission. Mileage nito is 64,000 mileage. Price nito is 700,000 pesos. All-in down payment, 142,000. And then yung monthly niya is 22,000 pesos lang. So guys, if interested kayo sa mga unit namin, you can message us on our different social media platforms or visit us on our showroom. See you!